In this video, you'll be learning a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Contacts app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Once you bring it up, navigate here at this right side. Click on this one. And here you need to navigate with contacts. Click on it. And eventually you would be redirected to your Google Contacts. Please wait until it would be set for you. Okay, this is where we could see all of the contacts that we have. Okay, so once everything are set here, please proceed to the top right corner where you can see this three dots. Click on it. And here you need to locate your cursor to cast, save, and share and go with install Google Contacts. Click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to see this small window. Please click on install. And again, you would be able to see a new window again, and that would mean that we have successfully installed it here in our Windows 11. Once a window is being showed, please close this one, and as you can see, a Google Contacts shortcut has been automatically created as well here at the desktop. Okay, so from here, if you would like to go with the button search bar here and try to type for the context, okay, you would be able to. No, yes, we have seen it. Okay. So you will be able to receive a notification as well where your machine or PC asking you to pin it to taskbar. You can simply click on yes if you would like to, or you can simply decline by clicking on no thanks. Okay. So in that way, you have successfully installed a Google Context. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.